I feel like I'm doing things, I'm getting recognized. Obviously Sensational sending me units, and I feel like they know what colors to send me. My city's on the moon, fuck a tube, no cap, I'm outie. Everything I fear's on the news. What is up, you guys? It's Grifa Beauty again. Welcome to my channel. For this video, I have another wig review for you guys. This unit was sent to me by Sensational, so shout out to Sensational. They sent me the lace unit 10 in the color T2 Fuchsia. So this is how the stock card's looking. This is from the Dashley collection. So the Dashley collection says it's about fast fashion meets hair. So it's like an affordable way to like basically be in a baddie in a budget. This is a lace front wig with a deep part center with baby hair, ear to ear, soft lace, made with heat resistant fibers, available in fashion forward colors, and you could dress it up or dress it down. This is the wig. It's like a longer straight unit and it comes layered. It has the dark roots and the baby hairs with ear to ear lace. It is a yaki texture. You guys can see. Medium yaki, I would say. I don't think this is light because you guys could see it in the camera real obvious. But let's see how I have a good idea of how I want to style her. So if you guys are interested to see how I do that and my final looks, final thoughts at the end, then go ahead and keep watching. I will leave it in chapters, so go ahead and check out your favorite chapter down in the description box. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to show some love, hit the like button, any of those buttons, subscribe. Just don't hit that unlike button. I just don't understand why people do that. Like if you don't like it, just go on about your day, you know? It's just a tip, I don't know. Everybody do what you want. Construction of the cap is 2 combs in the front, the comb in the back, and the adjustable strap.
This tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need.
So you guys, this is my finished look for Miss Dashley. I decided to style her and slick some of the front hair to the back and tie it with some little rubber bands, and I think it looks cute. Like, I imagined it to look like this, and I just feel a little better because I just feel like it was too much in my face, and since it doesn't have too much lace in here, I didn't want to pump her up. I just wanted to do something different, and I feel like it looks good. So again, this is my final look for Lace Unit 10 by Sensational in the Dashley collection, color T2 Fuchsia. And yeah, it is safe up to 304 to 400 degrees if you decide to put heat on her. She is a pretty cool texture. It's like a thicker texture. It doesn't shine too much, so I really appreciate that about her. Again, the layers, like lens check, I am 5'7". And the layers are very pretty. I feel like this is like could be an everyday wig. It doesn't tangle at all thanks to this texture, I feel like, because sometimes when they're silkier they tend to tangle up way too much on you. It is a pretty nice dense, well, it is a little thick actually. That's how much hair it has. And again, it's not gonna have a lot of lace because that's why it's affordable. It is ear to ear lace, but the tracks start like right here, so keep in mind if you're a person that likes to pluck or have a more natural looking hairline, then the Dashley units are probably not it. This is for more of like you're just trying to pop a wig for a special occasion, or you don't mind not having a realistic hairline. Even though with the baby hairs it might look a little good, in my opinion. It works. It works. If you know how to finesse it, it works. And if you don't, it probably work too. It depends how you style her, and if you feel the wig becomes yours. That's what I found out. Like if I don't really like a wig and I put it on, even if I do my makeup real pretty, sometimes I'm just like, no, like, and this one does make me feel pretty. Like, this would have definitely been a cute birthday wig. My birthday was Friday, and just to let you guys know, baby daddy did pick them up, but of course I didn't have no plans, so it wasn't like that special. So I guess he got what he wanted, but whatever. I still had a little bit of fun, which is what important. You guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment box. I will leave links to her in the description box. She is very affordable, around $25, so definitely Baddie in a budget status. I seen her on Amazon go for like 30, but that's like paying a little bit extra for fast shipping. And yeah, you guys, it's so cute. That's the parting space. Yeah, for sure. Let me know what you guys think. Hit the like button. Thank you guys so much for the love. I've been getting so much love from you guys, and I'm excited to see where this goes. I feel like I'm doing things. I'm getting recognized. Obviously, Sensational sending me units, and I feel like they know what colors to send me because this shit looks nice, bro. Well, anyways, I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Bye.